Here's the simple, savory way to make mayonnaise at home. When making mayonnaise, it's very important that all of the ingredients are at room temperature. Separate an egg yolk and discard the white. Mix the egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Put the bowl on a damp tea towel to keep it from sliding. Drizzle in 8 ounces of peanut oil, stirring constantly with a whisk. Halfway through, you can switch from a drizzle to a slow stream of oil. Continue whisking. This helps ensure that the mayonnaise binds well. Don't use too much oil or the mayonnaise will separate. Finally, drizzle in 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. When all of the oil is incorporated, whisk it for 30 seconds until the mayonnaise is thick and glossy. You can also use a hand mixer. This will ensure the mixing is done continuously and evenly. It also makes the process easier and the mayonnaise less likely to curdle. The mayonnaise will be slightly thinner. When using a hand mixer, the oil can be added with the other ingredients all at once. Season the mayonnaise to taste with freshly ground pepper and salt. If it's too thick, dilute it with water, lemon juice, or vinegar. The mayonnaise will keep for a week in the refrigerator. That's the savory way to make mayonnaise.